Hello everyone, my name's Heidi and this is a digital course all about swearing and vulgarities. So in this course we're going to be learning how to insult people, what to say when we make mistakes and how to get inventive with swearing to make it a little bit more interesting. Not only will we be looking at vocabulary, we'll also be looking at definitions, so what they mean. And when to use them, when it's okay, what situations, whether you can use them at work, in front of your family, in front of your friends, just how angry you have to be to use certain words. Okay, so in this lesson we will be looking at the definition of swearing. So, to swear, we have to use offensive language when you speak, or to promise very strongly to do or not to do something. So in this lesson we're going to be concentrating on the first definition. So I can rub this out. And I also mentioned we'd be looking at vulgarities. So the definition of vulgarity in the dictionary is defined as the state or quality of being vulgar. The state or quality of being vulgar. Vulgarity is a noun. And what does vulgar mean? Vulgar means to be indecent, rude, and offensive. So we're going to be looking at offensive language, how to offend people, basically. Okay. And when do we swear? So we swear when we're angry, frustrated, in pain, or when we're feeling basically any strong emotion. So you can swear when you're really happy. It depends on your personality. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a scale. This is a swearing scale. It's going to represent when you can use certain swear words. What situations, who you can say it in front of. So we have your boss, work colleagues, your family, children, friends, those sections. And we're going to start off with the least offensive and end up at the most offensive. We're not going to do definitions today, we're going to do that in the next lesson, so don't worry about if you're not sure what they actually mean. Okay, because we will go over that. So at the start, I'm going to put oh my god. Very, very mild. You say this when you're not particularly angry, just when you drop something or, yeah. And you can say this in front of everyone. You can say this at work, you can say this in front of your parents, you can say this in front of children, it's fine. Okay, next ones. Twit, crap, prat, and burk. So we have oh my god, twit, crap, prat, burk. These last four you probably should avoid in front of your boss. It's not very professional. And in front of small children. So avoid in front of boss. And children. this is our first section of swearing, the least offensive ones. I'm going to rub it out now, and we're going to move on to slightly more offensive ones, and when you're getting a little bit more angry. Okay. So first of all we have Minga and Mentor. Then we have bloody, and you can say hell or you can just say bloody. Then we have Jesus Christ. Git. Tosser. And so these ones, you're getting a little bit more angry. You should avoid in front of your boss. You should probably avoid them at work altogether. Some of them can be quite offensive. So avoid at work. It depends whether you want to avoid them around your family. It just depends on how much you swear in general. Or if your family swears a lot, then I'm sure these will be fine. But if your parents or your family is quite strict, then it's probably best to avoid them. So this is the second section. I'm going to rub these off now. And we can go on to some slightly more offensive ones again, getting angrier as well. First of all, we have bugger. Then we have cock, shit, bollocks, prick, dick, twat, bitch. You can also have son of a bitch. I'll just write bitch, any words involving bitch basically. And arsehole. So these ones, when you're getting quite angry, people will get offended if you use them or if you call them one of these names. Probably best to avoid it in public places. Definitely at work, definitely in front of children. You have to be careful around your family, like I said, unless you swear a lot in front of your family. Okay, so we have bugger, cock, shit, bollocks, prick, dick, twat, bitch, and arsehole. Okay, so I'm going to rub these off and then we're going to go on to the last section, which is the most offensive. First of all, we have whore or slut. We have wanker, bastard, and of course, fuck. These ones, like I said, you're very angry, they can be very offensive. People will probably take offence at them, very, very likely. The last one is cunt. So this is probably the most offensive. You should only ever use it unless you're very angry and bollocks, and or if you really want to offend someone. So I'm going to put a red line underneath that. Okay, whore, slut, wanker, bastard, fuck, cunt. Only use if you're very angry or really want to offend someone. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Next lesson, we're going to be learning how to insult people. So I'll see you next time. Thank you and bye.